Shahnaz and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys already know we are gonna do the one dip makeup challenge, and uske saath today we are also gonna do the get to know me tag. Now I have a very small amount of subscribers, so कोई तो मुझे कोई सवाल पूछने वाला है नहीं, तो I have used the help of Google. So here I have my phone and Google पे मैंने get to know me questions का get to know me tag के questions निकाल लिए हैं. तो I'm gonna be answering these questions. And with that, I'm also gonna do my makeup with the one dip makeup challenge. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then without much blabbering, let's get blabbered a lot. Now I'm just gonna get started. I am first using the toner, like doing my skincare. So the first question is, where did you grow up? So I grew up. I was born and brought up in Guwahati, the main city. But currently, I think the next question is, where do you currently live? Currently, I'm living in a place which is like 1 hour away from the main city, Guwahati. So yeah, I was born and brought up in Guwahati. I lived there for like 23 years of my life, and this year in 2020 March, we have shifted here to our hometown. So yeah, next question, how tall are you? I think I am 5.3. So yeah, dogs or cats? I am more a dog person. I have a pet dog also. So yeah, I'm not a cat person, but I love cats. मेरे मासी के घर में cats है, मतलब बिल्ली है. तो I love them. They are very soft and मुझे अच्छा लगता है उसे गोद में लेके मतलब खेलना and all of that. They are so soft. So yeah, I like cats, मतलब physically, but I think dogs are more, you know, humble and more, what to say, kind, and you know, I don't know, not a cat hater. But yeah, funniest moment throughout high school. Next, I'm gonna use my gel. Wait, this was I can do my skincare without one dip, है ना? Okay, funniest moment throughout high school. Okay, I'm using the Good Vibes Calendula gel here. I have enjoyed a lot all throughout my high school. Okay, I'm using this as a primer. So I've enjoyed a lot all throughout my high school days with my best friend. Her name is Preeti. So we have enjoyed a lot, but the funniest moment was once we both bunked our classes and we were inside the toilet. We both were inside the bathroom, inside the same bathroom, okay? And trust me guys, we were just listening to music because my class attend nahi karna tha. And then a teacher came into the toilet and she heard that there were 2 girls inside one toilet, and she thought that we are lesbians. We got caught and the whole college knew about it, and most of them thought that the teacher, basically the whole teacher section thought, like the teacher staff room thought that we are lesbians. And this teacher ne hame pakda tha bathroom mein, she didn't even allow us to sit together in the classroom after that, you know. She literally used to tell us in front of everyone that both of you, you don't sit together. And we were like, everybody knew that we were best friends, okay, but the teachers were like, the next question, what year were you born? Okay, तो यहाँ से हमारा challenge भी शुरू होता है. Now I use I was born in 14 January 1997. Okay, so coming to the makeup part, I am going to use 2 foundations. This is a very cool tone foundation and this is a very warm tone foundation. So I'm going to mix both of them. So I'm going to take 1 pump of both the foundations. Okay, usually that's enough for me. So yeah, let's start the challenge. Okay. So I have taken this much. This is the Maybelline Wet n Wild foundation, and इसका spatula है, तो spatula को एक dip. This is 1 dip of the spatula, and I'm gonna take just this much. So this is the amount of foundation that I've taken. I think बहुत कम ले लिया मैंने, but anyways, I'm gonna mix both of them and answer the next question, which is tea or coffee. Coffee anytime. I have never drank tea in my entire life. मुझे पसंद नहीं है, so yeah, coffee. Next question, what are your life goals? Life goals तो फिलहाल यही है कि you know कुछ कर लो life में और क्या ही हो सकता है life goals. So on a serious note, my life goal is to be in this content creation. Like career goals ही बोल देती हूँ मैं life goals के साथ. Like career wise, I want to be in this content creation business. I want to make it big someday, and yeah, just explore my creative side. ज़्यादा घुमा फिरा के ना बोलूँ तो I want to be a famous YouTuber, and I want to create content for the rest of my life. And yeah, That's all. Next, I'm gonna contour and conceal and answer the next question, which is what is your favorite movie? Okay. So all the Bollywood movies are my favorite movies. So okay, मैंने एक ही मतलब I didn't even dip the brush twice. I just took out the brush. So this is one dip and I'm gonna use it. Okay. So हाँ, मेरा favorite Bollywood movie as a child it was कुछ कुछ होता है and जाने पिया जाने ना. I think all the Bollywood movies are my favorite, which has Shah Rukh Khan in it. I know it's stupid as hell. I know Bollywood romance is very very stupid. I know, I agree with it, but I am also stupid because I love it. I really love Bollywood romance and I fantasize about it. So yeah, Bollywood movies, all the romantic Shah Rukh Khan Bollywood movies are. Okay, next I'm gonna use this compact powder. This is the Lakme 95 compact and answer the next question. Who are your favorite YouTubers? Okay, NC Twinkle. She is my favorite, most favorite. I absolutely love her. Wait, it was supposed to be one dip, right? Sorry. I'm gonna redo it again, okay? One dip. Oh shit, now here I'm gonna mess up. It's not enough. Yeah, my favorite YouTuber is NC Twinkle and I like Shreya Jain a lot. I respect her work, man. I mean, she's the most hardworking YouTuber ever in the beauty community. And Mridul Sharma, oh my god, I love her aesthetics, man. I love her. And then I also love Best Dressed. Oh, she is so hilarious. I absolutely love her. I think I said that I'm gonna contour, so yes, I'm gonna contour this. I'm using it in the shade Dark Cocoa. It's a good shade for my contour. Again, मैंने बस निकाला है one. नहीं किया है, इसमें जो जितना मतलब product निकला है उसी को मैं apply करने वाली हूँ. And answer the next question. What is are you single or taken? I am absolutely single. ये please कोई नहीं. I wish कोई होता लेकिन नहीं है कोई. I'm single. So yeah, I'm single. What is your idea of dream date? Okay, I'm just gonna contour on my cheeks. Okay, I hope you can see. So dream date का idea. As I said, I am a stupid Bollywood fantasizing girl. I am stupidly romantic, foolish. So, हाँ, dream date भी वैसा ही होगा कुछ Bollywood types. Me in a red dress, he in a white shirt, red roses and under the sky, well होगा उसके ऊपर candlelight dinner. Yeah, वही सब है जो कभी होने वाला है नहीं. I know it's stupid, I know it's foolish, but पूछ रहे हो तो बोल रही हूँ. That's my kind of dream date जो कभी होने वाला है नहीं. Okay, next I'm gonna use a blush for which I'm using the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. This is the brush. I'm gonna take just one dip. Now this is a very pigmented blush, तो मुझे one dip या half dip भी नहीं चाहिए इसका. But yeah, आज धोखा भी दे सकता है ये because आज मुझे इसकी जरूरत है. But anyways, देखो बोला था ना धोखा दे देगा. आज इसका ब्लश का पिगमेंटेशन ही कम हो गया बिकॉज आज मुझे वन डिप लेना था और मैंने दर के हाफ डिप लिया. एंड लुक एट दिस. धोखेबाज. ओके, लेट मी आंसर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैं तो भूल ही गई. लाइक आई एम अ वेरी बैड मल्टीटास्कर. ओके, हाउ लॉन्ग वाज योर लॉन्गेस्ट रिलेशनशिप? इट वाज 2.5 years old, which was my recent one, जिसका जो अभी ब्रेकअप हो गया. सो या, आई एम वेरी happily single. Okay, next question. What is your go-to hairstyle? This is my go-to hairstyle because I don't have any hairs on my head. Like, yeah. Okay, next I'm gonna apply highlighter, which is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, and this is the brush. And let me take a dip in the highlighter. I hope that's enough. And if it's not, then I'm gonna cry because I can't do without highlighter. Anyways, let me answer the next question, which is, what is your go-to fast food? So my go-to fast food is momos, chicken momos. Like anytime, anywhere I can have momos. So yeah, it would be momos. Can you see my highlighter? Now comes the toughest part, which is eyebrows. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows with an eyeshadow palette. So this is the eyeshadow palette. और मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ ये वाला शेड फॉर माई आईब्रोज. ओके, सो जस्ट अ डिप. सक्सेसफुली डन माई आईब्राउज एंड बहुत ही मैंने मतलब दिमाग लगा के बनाए हैं ये आईब्राउज. आई थिंक आप लोगों ने देखा मैंने कैसे किया, बट आई एम हैप्पी विद द अमाउंट ऑफ ब्रेन आई हैव यूज्ड टू डू दीज आईब्राउज. Okay, next I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, which I'm using the same palette. Next, let's jump off to the next question. Do you have any bad habits? Yeah, I bite my nails. Left hand का नहीं छबाती because अभी बड़ी हो गई हूँ, so अभी I am trying to grow my nails. Like I grow my nails, then I cut them with a nail cutter ताकि shape बना रहे. But right hand का I still bite them. So yeah, I think that's a bad habit. So yeah, I bite my nails. Okay, let's answer the next question. Tell us one thing about you that we wouldn't know. यही था शायद the bad habit that I bite my nails, है ना? हाँ. Oh yeah, another thing. I cannot sleep at night in total darkness. Like मुझे एक dim light चाहिए होता है. So there is a foot light in my room. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, मुझे अंधेरे से डर लगता है. But if I'm sleeping with someone, like if I'm sleeping with my mom, then I don't need a dim light. Just not my mom. Even if I'm sleeping with my cousin or anyone, I don't need a dim light. But when I'm sleeping alone in a room, then I need the dim light. I'm probably gonna go with this shade. Okay, ये ब्रश डिप किया मैंने, as you can see बहुत सारा निकाल लिया. Okay, and I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow and answer the next question. What is your favorite Netflix show? Okay. Oh god, this is literally disastrous. I think one dip के चक्कर में मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही निकाल लिया. Okay, my favorite Netflix series is The Vampire Diaries and Friends. When I am in a mood to watch some sexy hot boys, then मैं Vampire Diaries निकाल लेती हूँ. And when I'm in a mood to laugh, then मैं Friends निकाल लेती हूँ. So yeah, those two are my favorite Netflix series. Okay, I am gonna shut my mouth now and concentrate on my eyeshadow. वरना मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगी. I think I'm going to use this glittery shade. I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but आँखों पे दिख जाएगा. So let me pick it out first. I'll be needing it. Oh, fall out. मैंने shimmery shade भी लगा लिया है, but इतना मतलब दिख के नहीं आ रहा है ये. I wish थोड़ा और लगा पाती, but challenge. Next question. When was the last time you told someone you loved them? Few days ago. Okay, but I'm single. Anyways, let's cut the topic here. I'm gonna apply eyeliner, which is gonna be the toughest part. But yeah, we are gonna take just one dip. Ooh, and this is all. Okay, I am not gonna talk while applying the eyeliner. Okay, don't mind. I did this eye and यहाँ पे eyeliner खत्म हो गया. Anyways, this is all I could do with the eyeliner. Not the best. I mean, ये wing तो कहीं और जा रहा है, ये कहीं और. But yeah, this is all. I'm gonna apply mascara. Oh guys, I applied the mascara without messing up. Finally. I think we have done this challenge quite nicely, है ना? Okay, next we are gonna apply the lipstick. Questions भी खत्म हो चुका है, कोई question है नहीं. Okay, so since this look has turned out to be a completely brownish, vampy kind of look, we are gonna use a brownish, dark maroonish, brownish, whatever-nish lipstick, liquid lipstick. So एक dip ले लेती हूँ इसका. Oh, I did it! I finally did it! Oh my god, I am loving this look. Never thought it would turn out so nicely, especially my eyebrows. I mean, I thought I would completely mess up, but I have got some brain and I have used my brain today and I'm very happy. Anyways, I'm gonna go do my hair and the final look. I tried to straighten my hair, but my hair is very flimsy, very soft, just like me. So कितना भी स्ट्रेटनर लगा लो ये स्ट्रेट नहीं होता है, बस आगे का पोर्शन थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट हो जाता है. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys like this one dip makeup challenge, and I think one dip भी नहीं चाहिए होता है हमें मेकअप में. I mean one dip के चक्कर में मैंने बहुत सारा मेकअप यूज कर लिया. जैसे कि ये आई शेडो एंड या whatever. Guys, that was it. I hope you guys also enjoyed the little get to know me tag thing that I did along with the challenge video. I hope you guys get to know me more after this, and yeah, if you guys like this video then make sure give it a big thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the Duologue series to see more such videos. A lot of content is coming on. Also do not forget to follow me on my Instagram for more content, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video and a new content. Bye bye.